Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Beyond. Today we are heading towards Hanoi's old quarter to discover this city's magical history, well preserved in a cup of coffee. So let's explore. We have reached Nguyen Ho Huan Street in Kim district. Stepping off the buzzing Hanoi street, we can feel ourselves getting swallowed by the cool shadowed embrace of a narrow alley that is drawing us towards a hidden heaven. Cafe Giang, the birthplace of egg coffee in Hanoi. As we are entering this time capsule brewed in caffeine and getting immersed in the vintage aura echoing from every corner, this lady greeted us with a gentle welcome to the first floor. But how can I ignore this air, hummed with the energy of a bygone era, the precious family photograph of Nguyen Van Giang, and the heritage collection of Nguyen family. And then this aroma, oh what an aroma. It's a symphony of caramelized sugar, rich coffee and this rhythmic whisper of the beating machines that are creating that secret wonder for every sip. Now this is the sitting area on the first floor, where wooden stools and tiny tables are jostling for space, and their surfaces are greeting countless elbows and clinking of tiny spoons. My heart quickened as I am ordering the star attraction, Cafe Chung, or the famous egg coffee by Nguyen Van Giang. And my companions are opting for coconut egg coffee, one hot and one cold, and one traditional black coffee. As you can see, the entire menu is highlighted with different types of egg coffee, except for one or two traditional options. Within a few minutes of ordering, my cup of magic has arrived with its age-old beauty of egg yolks, condensed milk, and the touch of that secret tradition turned into a thick, frothy concoction. The first sip is a revelation. It isn't just a coffee. It's a silken caress, a creamy whisper, a symphony of textures and tastes. Each spoonful is unfolding a new story. But mind it, it's absolutely not eggy. The cream, decadent yet delicate, whirls with the coffee's rich bittersweet notes in a tango on my tongue. I also tasted the coconut egg coffee, both cold and hot, and it reveals the bitterness of the espresso picked through creamy sweetness along with the richness of the egg yolk to sweep across your palate like velvet. If you are interested to try some munching with this bittersweet velvety richness, you can also ask them for pancakes or crispy flattened rice. This adjacent shop supplies the pancakes for the customers at Cafe Giang. Cheese is optional, but taste is just wow. And a great combination with the Cafe Giang offerings. Hope you like this video, but before moving ahead, one important advice for all ready to try egg coffee in Hanoi. Please get your sip from selected cafes like Cafe Giang, Oriberry Coffee, Dinh Coffee, and many more traditional cafes. Details are provided in the description box below because there are a lot of cafes in the old quarter serving egg coffee, but actually those are doing injustice to the age-old traditional beverage. So surely enjoy your cup of egg coffee in Hanoi and quickly press the bell icon to be the first to check all upcoming travel stories on Travel Beyond channel.